You might have received an email recently about our new client portal. Accessing it is easy. Just click on the Access button to set up your account. Once there, you'll be prompted to choose a username and password. It's a straightforward process designed with your convenience in mind. Once you've set up your account, you'll be directly connected to your personal portal. Here, you can view all email communications with your Sneeza team. And the best part? You can even respond to emails directly from this portal, streamlining your communication. In the portal, not only will you see your sign-offs and track all your tickets, but you can also easily make requests. Plus, you have the ability to invite others to join the portal, making collaboration and communication even more seamless. Let's make a request. It is for a location needs to be added. It is for the web team. And the priority is high. Now, let's delve into making a request. Say you want to add a new location, 252 Street, USA. In the portal, not only can you input this information, but you can also attach relevant files, like screenshots or images, to ensure your request is comprehensive and clear. After our team reviews your request, we'll convert it into a ticket for action. You can then monitor its progress in the Tickets section, located on the right-hand side of the portal. Once the ticket is listed, you can click on it to view detailed information about its status and updates. Beyond just tickets, the portal also provides access to sign-offs. Furthermore, essential documents like invoices are readily available for your review. Simply click on the invoice to view its detailed breakdown. For instance, this sample invoice reflects a total of $0. The portal is designed for your convenience, placing essential information right at your fingertips. Communicate directly with the team handling your account and view past and current details in real time. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact your success coach. They're here to guide you through our customer portal. Thank you for watching.